DoNotPay legal subscription pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people don't realize how much legal assistance can be automated, and the surprising truth is that DoNotPay offers an apparent subscription that handles a wide range of legal tasks affordably. DoNotPay subscriptions start at per month, providing access to features like fighting parking or traffic tickets, cancelling subscriptions, generating legal letters, and small claims assistance. Premium services may cost slightly more depending on the feature set. For example, a subscriber can use DoNotPay to contest a parking ticket online, generate a demand letter for a landlord dispute, or draft basic legal forms, all without hiring a lawyer. Platform guides users step by step and automates repetitive legal processes. Most users find that DoNotPay saves both time and money, making routine legal tasks accessible to anyone while reducing the need for costly consultations. The system continually updates with new templates and legal guidance to stay current. In conclusion, DoNotPay legal subscription delivers tremendous value. Affordable pricing, automation, and an intuitive interface make it an ideal choice for handling everyday legal matters efficiently and confidently.